Experience lakeside living at its finest within the private and exclusive Malibou Lake Mountain Club. This rare property is one of only 35 residences set directly on the lake. Step through the front door into a stunning great room with soaring beamed ceilings, rich wood floors, and a floor-to-ceiling wood-burning fireplace. The space flows seamlessly into a gourmet kitchen, dining area, and wraparound bar, perfect for entertaining. Expansive doors open to a 467 square foot covered loggia, creating an inviting indoor-outdoor living experience ideal for year-round dining and relaxing. Just steps away, your private dock offers direct lake access, perfect for boating, fishing, or simply unwinding in a serene setting. Whether you're seeking a full-time residence or a weekend escape just 50 minutes from Century City and Beverly Hills, this exceptional property offers the best of both worlds.